It's right there. Can't get that smooth. That's gonna be a problem. There we go. So was there a pinhole? Is that why these are so wet?
Don't know.
Huh. There's quite a bit of mold right here.
Yeah. The drywall guy is going to deal with it.
Dang. All right, so this will be all right. I've sanded this down and cleaned it. So we'll put the coupling on there. And then right above there. A lot of water. There's a recirc line. So we're going to want to unplug that because that pipe downstairs is a hot water line. Then we'll need to bleed all the air out of this sucker. Okay, looking for water main shut off. No, probably.
What do you think?
No, not there.
What's back there? There's another.
Nothing on this side? Nope.
There's another particle. Back that house on the side.
On the side, all right. Where'd that? Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah, yeah, this is it. Now let's hope this gate valve turns off. That goes to, okay, should be good.
No. No. Let's not.
The slip coupling, or the stop, allowed me to push it that far. But I caught it. There you go.
32 and 19, you're kind of you kind of feel weird. But for him to go for Cougar, right? For his age, for 32, he has to shoot for like 50, right? Because if he's going to go like 39, 40, that's not really that much of a difference.
No, we have to, because I'm 31, we have to go for like,
Okay, so what are the
I don't know, I don't think, that's it.
Okay, so I bled all the air out of the lines, and then lastly, before we plug in the recirc, I like to do this. I just like to make sure everything, because there's a check valve right here. All right, that's enough. That's enough. There you go. Now there won't be any airlock or anything like that. I probably don't need to do that, but it makes me feel like I know what I'm doing. Okay, that's nice and tight. Should probably be a cap on there, but you know, it is what it is. All right, that's it.